have a report from the DSS regarding the misinformation by the People's Gazette. DSS says it is very sad that a citizen who calls himself a journalist will sit either within or outside the shores of this country to write such mischief, alleging heads of noble institutions as DSS and EFCC will abduct another citizen. Talk more of the GMD of NNPC. While DSS and other law enforcement agencies have high respect for human rights, DSS intelligence particularly will not condone the excesses of these, they quote, irresponsible journalists. The list is to have verified from the agencies, DSS, EFCC, and NNPC before sharing the falsehood. Accordingly, DSS will seek legal redress and continue to urge for responsible journalism. All right, DSS has debunked that report by the People's Gazette that was trending yesterday, made a lot of headlines, especially on social media, and they are going to seek legal redress, as they say.
Go to court. Don't take the law into your hands, even when you are security agencies.
Absolutely.